We spend fortunes on specialty creams, expensive pills, and highly marketed diets. Yet some of the most effective medicine for our dogs is sitting right now in the pantry, costing almost nothing. When you take your dog to the vet, you usually get about 15 minutes. That short window is built for diagnosing urgent problems, writing a prescription, and paying the bill. There is almost never time to discuss how simple, everyday whole foods can heal your dog. If you look online for answers, you run into an exhausting wall of noise. One video claims all kibble is poison, the next says raw food is incredibly dangerous. It leaves owners second-guessing every choice, carrying a quiet guilt that they are doing it wrong. Take a breath. You do not have to overhaul your dog's diet overnight, and you don't have to pick a side in a nutritional war. Think of these pantry foods as gentle helpers. Adding a few plain, familiar ingredients to whatever your dog already eats is the most affordable, sensible place to start. These foods do not replace your veterinarian when your dog is seriously ill. Instead, they work alongside good medical care to stack the odds in your favor, building a longer, healthier life right from your own kitchen. This cross-section of a canine intestine shows how plain pumpkin acts as a dual-purpose tool. With diarrhea, soluble fiber acts like a sponge, soaking up excess water. But if constipated, that exact same fiber draws water into a dry blockage, creating the movement needed to relieve the system. Plain, unsweetened yogurt and cooked oatmeal are excellent secondary helpers here. A spoonful of yogurt delivers live probiotics to balance out intestinal bacteria, while oatmeal provides a soothing carbohydrate for sensitive stomachs. Down the line, keeping a dog healthy means protecting their waistline. Carrying excess weight quietly ruins a dog's joints and strains their heart, and substituting highly processed, store-bought treats with simple vegetables is an easy intervention. A large raw carrot is a perfect example. The mechanical scrubbing action of crunching through a carrot helps clean their teeth, and it delivers a dose of beta-carotene without packing on empty calories. If your dog genuinely needs to slim down, try replacing a small portion of their daily kibble with plain green beans. The high fiber content satisfies their need to chew and keeps them feeling full, allowing them to lose weight without feeling starved. Managing a dog's weight and digestion rarely requires an expensive bag of prescription kibble. Often, a few strategic, high-fiber additions do exactly what the body needs. Moving to the outside of the body, few things are more frustrating than watching your dog chronically itch, scratch, and chew their paws. You can support their skin by feeding the coat from the inside out. Plain cooked eggs are packed with complete proteins and biotin, giving the body the amino acids it needs to build softer, more resilient fur. Omega-3 fatty acids from sardines and salmon oil actively circulate in the body, locating tissues and suppressing inflammatory markers. Over time, these anti-inflammatory fats calm itchy, irritated skin. Inside the body, they act as a crucial lubricant, easing friction points inside aching, degraded joints. That joint support becomes vital as our dogs age. Watching a senior dog hesitate at the bottom of the stairs or struggle to stand up from their bed is a heavy reality of their body slowing down. To help maintain their cognitive sharpness, you can offer a few fresh blueberries a day. Their high antioxidant content actively fights the free radicals that damage cells, gently supporting the aging canine brain. Sweet potatoes are another excellent addition for an aging immune system. Always bake or steam them until completely soft, never raw, and they will provide a rich, easily digestible source of vitamin C and beta-carotene. For a senior dog who seems reluctant to visit their water bowl, plain bone broth is a highly effective hydrating tool. As long as it is completely free of toxic onions or garlic, its rich taste easily coaxes a stubborn dog to take in more fluids. The naturally occurring collagen and gelatin inside that warm broth also soothe the delicate lining of their gut while providing daily comfort to stiff, tired legs. We cannot stop our dogs from aging, but these targeted nutritional interventions significantly increase their daily hydration, mobility, and overall physical comfort. Keep in mind, natural does not automatically mean risk-free. Some pantry foods fall strictly into a handle with care category. A tiny, precisely calculated amount of ginger, for example, can naturally ease nausea and reduce inflammation for a dog that suffers from severe car sickness. Then there is turmeric, which contains an active compound called curcumin. It shows genuine promise for easing joint discomfort and calming severe skin issues. But you have to be careful. This warning diagram illustrates how curcumin can interact dangerously with common medications, like blood thinners. It is poorly absorbed on its own and can cause internal bleeding or clotting issues if the dosage is wrong. The most powerful natural interventions cross the line from food into medicine. Getting your veterinarian's explicit blessing is mandatory before you use them. To safely use these foods, follow the math. 90% of a dog's diet must remain balanced base food, leaving a strict 10% maximum for whole food additions. Introduce one new food at a time, keep additions strictly plain, and remember, food supports medical treatment, it never replaces it. Finally, respect your dog's biological individuality. Dogs with a history of pancreatitis, kidney issues, or liver disease have highly specific metabolic needs. Always get custom vet approval before adding anything new to their bowl. When you follow those rules, your kitchen stops feeling like a minefield of toxic threats. It becomes a safe, reliable toolkit for their longevity. Adding good years to a dog's life is not achieved with one expensive magic cure. It happens through 100 small, sensible acts of care, made day after day. Every dog deserves an owner who understands the true power of their bowl. Share this knowledge with someone who wants a longer, healthier life for their best friend.